Today, I'll show you how to install any game on PPSSPP Emulator on your Android, iOS, and PC devices easily in 2026. Now, simply open your Google Play Store app and download this app that is called Z Archiver. It's very important. So once you're done downloading this app, if you haven't installed your PPSSPP emulator yet, then search for PPSSPP and then download the PPSSPP emulator to your device. Once you're done downloading these two apps that I just told you to install to your device, go ahead and open your PPSSPP emulator for the first time. Now, I know that some of you might have already done this, but I'm just, trying to show other people how to do it in case they don't know how to do it. Now, the first thing it's going to ask you is that you should create a PSP folder. So click on OK. Then tell it what folder to utilize. As for me, I like using document section. So I'll click on document, use this folder, allow. Then I'll click on OK. Once you've done this, it's going to open the PPSSPP interface. You can see that there's no game in here to play. Now, this is where the Z Archiver comes into play. Now, simply open your Z Archiver app. Once it's open, locate your PSP game file. Now, my PSP game file is in the download section. So if I come in here, you see I'm having a game in here, but it's actually a zip file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on this file just once. Once I tap on it, it's going to give me three extraction option. Extract here, extract to, and extract with a 3 dot. Now, this extract with a 3 dot is what we're going to be using. So I'm going to click on it. Then I'll go back to my main directory. I'll locate my PSP folder, which is inside my document section. So I'll click on document, PSP. You can see there's a game section in here. I'll click on the game. Then I'll click on this icon below to extract that my game file inside this folder. So I'll click on it, and just like that, the extraction process has begun. Alright, right now, as you can see, it is done extracting. So I want to quickly add some other games in here. Alright, as you can see, I'm done with that. Now, next thing to do is to reopen our emulator. So once you reopen your emulator, you notice that there's still no game in here to play. That's because the emulator do not even know where you kept your game. So you have to show it. To show it where you kept your game, click on the browse icon above. Once you click on it, show it where you are keeping your game. If you remember, the PSP folder is in the document section. So I'll click on document, PSP, game. You can see my games are here. Then I'll click on use this folder, allow. And just like that, you can see that the games are all here and they are ready to play. Now, you are going to be needing some settings that will give you, the best performance and FPX when you are playing these games on, your Android device, your iOS device, or your PC devices. Now, I already have a dedicated video for that, and I'm going to be recommending it at the end of this video. So do make sure to stick to the end so you do not miss out on that. Now, let's give any one of these games a try and see how it goes.
This'll be a snap!
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it's have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.